Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm bringing you along as I make a chicken stir fry on our Blackstone Griddle. I've got my chicken breast. I used a whole chicken breast or two halves that I sliced up very thin and tiny. And I kind of did my vegetables that way. We have zucchini, onion, broccoli, and asparagus. So I will kind of season up each thing as I put it on there. And I got my griddle heating, and so in about another minute I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm using my Tsang stir fry oil, and I'm going to start with my asparagus and my broccoli because it will take the longest to cook. So I'm just going to put some of that down, and I'll season each thing with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I did kind of chop my vegetables up in bite-sized pieces because that's how I like my vegetables and everything chopped up. Okay, a little bit of kosher salt and some pepper, and I'll probably put a little bit of adobo on there. This right here, we love this. But you can season it every how you like it. Pour a little soy sauce on there. Now give it a toss. Now, I don't want my vegetables to be mushy. I still want them to have a bite to them. But they do need to cook just a little bit. Now, you can always take your water bottle and just squirt a little water around it and on it to create a little steam to help it cook. And I'm just going to give this a couple of minutes, and then I'll add my zucchini and onion. Okay, on this side I'm going to lay my chicken, and I will zoom in and show you how thinly and little that I sliced it up. See? And it's easy to chop up like that. I just left them half frozen. Okay, I'm going to toss these vegetables and then add my zucchini and onion in the middle. And this meal won't take long at all to cook. My daughter's inside cooking the rice for me. And it's going to be delicious. Now I'm going to go ahead and scoop my zucchini and the broccoli and asparagus together. It's about where I want it. And I'm going to give the chicken a little bit longer. And I will bring you back when I go to add it all together. Okay, now I'm going to add everything together. Give it a good mix. Add my stir fry sauce. But first, I want to add just a few crushed red pepper flakes. Not a lot, because I don't do spicy really, but just a little bit. You know, I'm basically just showing you how me and my family like it. You know, I asked Ricky, did he want some minced up carrots in it, and he said no. So, but you can add whatever you like or leave out what you don't like. And now I'm just using this stir fry sauce. You can use whatever you like. You can make up your own marinade and stuff. But sometimes I feel if I don't have all the ingredients to make my own, that it's easier just, and it costs less for me to buy this than to go buy everything to make my own. And you just add as much as you like. Now I'm just going to mix this up, let it heat through, and call it done, and I will meet you inside so we can try this. Okay, now to try a bite. First I'm going to try this zucchini, and I have it on some rice. The zucchini is perfect. It is still good and crisp and got a good flavor. So let me try the rest. It's perfect. And just be careful of the salt amount, because if you're using soy sauce and that stir-fry sauce, because I didn't even salt the zucchini or nothing, and I just put a little kosher salt on the other. Just be careful so you don't make it too salty. But this is good. How do you make your chicken stir-fry? Let me know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment. I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.